Hello everyone. In this video I will show a guide how I turned Zhou You into the tool breeder using Blender. To be honest, this is probably an easy specimen to make compared to the lopsider and the mantelope. And I'm confident that my 3D sculpting skill to turn a normie human form into other specimen been improved a bit. This specimen is probably the cutest of all the specimens I made. It looked like dolphin, which is the most adorable thing you get from all tomorrows. I already prepared Zhou You in the program, so let's proceed the process. The first step to achieve an adorable tool breeder form is to separate all the limbs and head from the body. After that we can proceed to step 2, which is to focus on shaping his body to be more longer, smoother and chunky. Now we are going to put our attention to the feet. First dispose the legs and keep the feet. We actually only need the ankles, so dump all the useless stuff. And now proceed to make fin. Attach the fin leg back to the limb hole. And when you are done with the feet fin, proceed to separate the hand from the arms and start modify the arms. Shorten the arms and make it flat, so it resembles fin. Since the hands looked a little bit like a normie human form, we only need to touch up the details. Put the arm back. And now we are going to concentrate on the last mutilated stuff, which is the head. Reshape the head to resemble an aquatic mammals called dolphin, dispose the ear and pinch the mouth longer to give it ability to adorably whistle to communicate. Glue the head back to the neck hole. Put the eyes into the socket. Proceed to make the dildo breather. And now we are going to make the dildo feather. We need a PNG of a feather. For that we could download it from Google or just make it in whatever program you preferred. But I'm going to make it from Photoshop. I'm done. Look at how adorable Zhou You is, he even wear a bag and holding a worm drill. 10 out of 10 would hug. Thank you for watching this poorly edited guide video on how to turn a human into a tool breeder. And please visit CM Kosemen works. Because the specimens I made are all from his beautiful books titled All Tomorrows. And please subscribe if you wanted to see more content made by me. If you want to, I guess. Bye.